Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you how to change the headlight bulbs on this 2013 Hyundai Sonata. Alright guys, pop the hood and we're going to change the headlight. This is the high beam right here. So if you look behind here, this is a cover for the high beam and this is the cover for the headlight. So all you got to do is twist this counterclockwise and it comes right off, and your headlight bulb is right in there. Alright guys, that's what it looks like under there. So you're going to take this clip, see up here, you're going to push it and then push it to the side. Okay, so now the clip is loose and the clip kind of flips out, but these wires are in the way, so you need to get the wires around it like this. Like that. So now this clip falls out, see? And now this whole light bulb comes out. Alright guys, your bulb is out, so now you gotta do is pull it out and get yourself another bulb. Alright, this is the bulb you need. It's an H7. He replaced one and not the other, and this is what happens. You should replace these in pairs because they're only made to last a certain amount of time. So if you replace one, soon after you're gonna have to replace the other one anyway, so just do them in pairs. Alright, you got your new bulb. Always wear gloves when you're dealing with halogen bulbs, okay? Because the oil in your hands messes up the halogen bulb. So all you gotta do is click this back in place, like that. Okay, and you're ready to put this back in. Alright guys, so now you're ready to put this in. See this tab right here? Right here? This tab goes in this slot right down here. So you're just gonna put it in, make sure it goes into the slot like that. Now you're gonna flip this clip over and around these wires. So these wires gotta go on the outside of it. This is the trickiest part. Alright, once you do that, push the clip up and around this part over here, like that. See how it clipped up here? Now this is secure. Now take your cover, put it in, and just twist it to lock it in place. Alright guys, you got lights. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.